Hey, hey, you're here, and I'm here for you. I'm your original muse with a curious view. From boomers to zoomers, come travel through time with Joanna Frank and her monkey mind. Sing it, dance it, laugh between the lines, mystery and magic through parallel time. So check it out now, there's plenty to see. Go and see Joe where your mind runs free.
So this is what it feels like to have all the time in the world, to sit in 100-degree temperature in the shade. It actually just feels like 95. Not bad. I am learning how to use some cool video editing features that I've never really taken the time, or I always had excuses not to learn, like I've got a house to clean, I've got laundry to do. Well, I did the laundry and it's hanging on the rack right now out here. And Don had to go all the way back to Kingman, to Home Depot, to get the right gasket because he's got his first honeydew thing to do on the list, like fix the leak under the kitchen sink. So yeah, it's been kind of dripping for a while, and I think there was the wrong size gasket on there. So as he's heading back to Kingman, as we've already been there and back again from the market in the park this morning, and I am stringing together a bunch of videos that I took on yesterday's day trip to Hackberry. So as I'm learning this voiceover feature to be able to do that, I'm enjoying outdoors and real clouds, unless they're real simulated clouds. Either way, they're the way I remember them when I was a kid. Enjoy the following video, blast from the past, and it was kind of an unexpected thing, surprise yesterday too, so I will see you at the end. Here's a blast from the past. Having no idea what we just drove up to, this is Hackberry General Store. My first clue was the group of Italian tourists going in and out of the store. This must be a major tourist attraction. Ta-da! Have any words to say about this place yet?
It's a fuster club.
There's just, like I said, sensory overload.
Yeah, a little bit, right?
What's the name of this place? The General Store in Hackberry? Hackberry General Store. Like everything is Route 66. Everything. Oh, Elvis. And
Let's take next up. We'll take a picture of the next one.
here, it's still running. It's still running. Here, take it. It's still on. It's already in video. Why don't you turn it? It's already still running. There. It was running.
What? Elvis the pelvis? You want to play with his pelvis?
No, I did not say that. Still running? It's still running. I did not say that. Do you want to get up there? How about over there? What's her name? Here's the... Hello? Are you deaf? You're not even looking my way. What do you got to say to yourself, cowboy?
Stick him up. Pow.
Whoops. $35 for those. What do you got to say to yourself, cowboy?
Stick him up. Pow.
Whoops. $35 for those. As I'm scanning the store for all these memories. I'm also playing Memories from the Past. Just take it all in. Kind of like a life review on your last day. Look at all these memories.
Kind of sign.
Yep, that's the sign said.
I don't dial
what he would
911.
say.
Especially if you're on the ground.
Do-rag. Do-rag. These are leather do-rags. I think they're cool.
What?
I think they're kind of cool. You'd probably look.
If you want to look like
You'd look like a biker in them.
Not
Bikers
my
used to
type
wear
of
them.
thing.
I know, but
This is what weirdos
that's a
wear.
biker thing.
I'm not a biker.
Oh, well, model it for
I
us.
don't want to be a biker.
Model it for us. Oh yeah, that's not a biker thing. Is it? It is kind of.
Yeah.
So
it is.
you were saying when you get bald, when you have no more hair, you're gonna shave your head.
When I have no more hair.
You could wear that.
When I have no more hair, then dial 911 because I'm going to put a bullet in my head.
So dramatic. All right, so 1955, year of birth. What does it say?
I don't know. I
You
don't
were
have
the
my
main
glasses.
event. Okay, here, let me hold it. I'll read it to you. Matter of fact, your birthday's coming up. You want me to get you? It's less than a month away. All right, it says. No, it's too long. Can't read it all now.
All right, I'm just going to $4 to get a Twix ice cream.
He's gonna get a Twix ice cream. Let's follow him to the Twix. Did you find it? Where is it? Where is it? Your eyes on the road here. Oh look, they have some semblance of something a little bit healthy, like alkaline water. And yeah, that's something I would drink. I already had my kombucha today.
How did they get this covered up? Somebody had this.
I don't know. I don't know. Because it was offensive to the kids in the shop. Hackberry General Store. That's where we are right now. How old is this place?
I don't know.
I'm trying to cover everything. Oh, Mickey Mouse, Nebraska. Somebody had a Mickey and a Minnie Mouse set of license plates.
Well, these are cool, like little night lights.
Oh, that's cool. Wow. Do you want that in your man cave too? You come here and pick things out for your man cave. Olivia Newton-John. Our favorite show, Grease. So what's he looking at? Got his Twix.
I'm looking at something.
Man who knows what he wants. Everybody's watching this. Let me know which part of it. It's more like a museum in here. Let me know which thing got your attention the most. And if you have a memory attached to it. Only if it's shareable. And then put down which year you grew up, which decade, and what popped out the most. Watch out for snakes. He's walking in the, oh, that's a lizard, not a snake. Yep, it's official. This is like the last minute pass, like the official junkyard of the 50s and 60s. And here's the Firestone Garage, a Goodyear. This is actually a pretty cool place. I didn't know it was like a museum. Now I know why it's sensory overload. There's a whole lot of history in this area. Look, music hall. Look, look. What's that, an old-fashioned piano? I wonder if it still works. Huh? Look over there. The washing outdoors. That's what I need to have. Seriously, what is that? Alien craft for phone heads? No, really, what is that? I guess we'd have to walk over there to find out. Probably an outhouse or something. Kind of reminds me of the beehive.
Could be an old kiln.
Old kiln. Meanwhile, back at the garage. All right, this scene is for, or this clip is for all you mechanics out there who would love to have lived during this time, or maybe you lived during this time but you were little, so maybe you would have loved to have had a garage like this when you grew up. Didn't your dad own a tire shop? You want to talk about that? You want to talk about that, Don?
No.
Tell me about it. How did it make you feel?
It didn't make me feel one way or another.
I'm feeling goofy. I'm just feeling like a therapist voice today. How did it make you feel when your dad owned that tire shop growing up? What's your best memory of that tire shop in Whittier, California?
My best memory of it?
Yeah.
Not working there.
Not working there?
Yeah, having free weekends and not having to go to work at the tire store.
Did you work with him?
We all did every weekend.
Oh, but then you moved to Idaho and then you had to milk the cows. Poor guy. He had such traumatic experiences growing up.
Not really. I was really good at milking cows.
What about changing tires?
Well, I left that to everybody that was bigger than me when I was little.
He
My
lucked
brothers
out.
could
He
do
was the
that.
baby. He was the baby. So this concludes the tour of Hackberry General Store, indoors and outdoors. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. You really need to be here just to enjoy it as much as I did. Well, hats off to you digital creators. I sure do appreciate the amount of hours that goes into creating just one video. Of course, I'm still new at it, but I learned a few things and I haven't put it all together yet. So it's going to be a surprise to me just to see the completed project. And if you stayed with me, thanks. Just keep in mind, this is like perfectly imperfect. But Dawn has already been to Kingman and back again and already in the trailer trying to fix that leaky sink. So hopefully I'll be able to make dinner and clean up afterwards. If not, we just roll with it in our new tiny trailer transaction life. So until the next video, stay curious, keep on saging, no aging, and enjoy life. Indoor shop in the outdoor museum or whatever. It's a cool spot. I'm sure more than half of the stuff in there is made in China. Maybe everything out here too, who knows? I don't think they simulated though, those old classic junk cars, do you think? Think those were made in China and shipped over here?
I don't think about it, to be honest with you. I'm just here just enjoying everything.
I'm just being so sarcastic because
Who?
I'm sick of stuff being made in
I'm not
China.
being sarcastic.
Me. I said those junk cars. Were they simulated in China and shipped over here to make it look like they're classic American cars? Don't listen to me.
I don't know. What?
I said, don't listen to me. I'm just being sarcastic. Stop. We just left Hackberry. Now enjoying the back roads to Beach Springs.
What?
I'm yelling at you.
I know, but I can't hear you.
Hackberry. Now we're on the back road to Peach Springs. Still on Route 66. Some of our favorite tunes.
And she's fine.